Hello everyone, I am here in Helen, Georgia at the Alpine Valley Inn, which is where we're staying.
So bright. There it is.
See, I'm here with my mom, and I'm here with Tyler from Just Out and About, so be sure to subscribe to them. And let's go check out the room. So you pull in, it's just this little parking lot. Here's the rooms right here. This little office over there is the front desk, and that's where you check in. You got to get your parking pass. That's also where they have free breakfast in the morning, which is pretty cool. But yeah, it's right here in Helen. You can walk to a lot of stuff here. But yeah, this whole town is German themed. Even this hotel, which is pretty cool. Well, I haven't parked yet, but I can park right here.
Pull right up.
Pull right up and walk right up these stairs. And here's our room. Okay, so this is the king bed. So they also have rooms that are 2 queens. So you got a chair right here, nightstand. Got a safe, oh no, you got a microwave right here. You get a fridge. Drawers, a TV, looks like it's a Roku TV. You have a desk in here, mirror, some hangers, another nightstand, got a mirror right here. Here's the bathroom, the coffee maker. They have lotion, soap, conditioning shampoo, makeup remover wipes, tissues. And here's the bathroom, the shower. Overall, it's a pretty decent room. I think for 5 nights? Yeah, for 5 nights here, it was like $300 in total, so not too bad. And it's right here in Helen.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Checking into the neighbors.
Checking in the neighbor's house.
Oh, I got carpet.
Oh, you got carpet.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Oh, you got a different chair than we did.
Yeah, look at my bougie chair.
It's so authentic in here.
So over here in the office, they have breakfast from 7 to 10. So let's go see what they got in here. So I got some muffins. That's pretty cool. So that's another perk. You can just fill up on breakfast here, and you won't have to spend too much money on food while you're in Helen. So look at that. All right, everyone. Well, that is it for the Alpine Valley Inn here in Helen, Georgia. That was a pretty good place to stay, especially for the price. Had no complaints. Staff was friendly. The room was pretty clean. Yeah, it's right here in the center of everything. So I highly recommend this place if you want to come to Helen, especially if you're on a budget. But on that note, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Click that notification bell so you get notified for all our content, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everyone.